India is a major hub of maritime trade. The country is surrounded on three sides with waters of the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. It has 7,517 kilometers of coastal line, making it the 16th largest maritime country, and it also ranks 18th in the global shipping tonnage. Most cargo ships sailing between East Asia and America, Europe, and Africa pass through Indian waters. India's 95% of trading by volume is done through maritime transport. It has 13 major ports and 205 notified minor and intermediate ports across the coastal line. Hence, it is evident that the ports are very crucial for the Indian economy. Given the background, MEIL, which has proven its capabilities in the engineering and infrastructure world for more than 30 years, and now it has entered into developing ports. It has taken up the construction works of the Greenfield port at Machilipatnam, which will be one of India's biggest breakwater ports. The company has bagged the contract in competitive bidding to execute the project in EPC mode and started construction works. The Machilipatnam has been historically significant for sea trade and commerce since ancient times. Due to various reasons, the development of a modern port has been neglected for years. The MEIL is proud to be executing this historic project, which will bring back old glory of the Machilipatnam. When we look at the port's geographical location, it will be built on the vast land of around 2,935 acres at the Tavisapudi seafront, about 4 kilometers north of the existing Machilipatnam old port. Now let us look at the technical and project scope of work in detail. For this project, the company will build 2 general cargo berths with a quay length of 300 meters and 34 meters width on the landslide along with the diaphragm wall. One multi-purpose berth of 300 meters with a width of 34 meters and one bulk berth of a total length of 300 meters and minimum width of 28 meters with supports for the conveyor system, including the required diaphragm wall on the seaside. It is also readying rubble mound breakwaters of an approximate total length of 2,325 meters, in which north breakwater will be around 250 meters and south breakwater will be about 2,705 meters long. Once ready, this port will be one of India's biggest breakwater ports. When we look at these project figures, one can understand how monumental this port will be. Thousands of workers and machinery are working on a war footing to complete the project within the stipulated time. For this project, renowned companies like Tata, SAIL, RINL, Jindal Steel and Watson Bowman will supply the required material. Once this 35 metric tons per annum capacity all-weather port with world-class facilities is ready, it will meet the present and future needs of the trade. And it will positively impact the socio and economic profile of Andhra Pradesh.